Dad.
Happy Father's Day. I love you, Dad. I thank you for all the hockey you do for us. Thank you for just putting up with us in hard times and the up times. I'm glad that you were my dad and nobody else was, because I think you've raised me right and will continue to keep raising me right. And I just hope that as I go down the line in life, I'll follow your footsteps and be just like you. Hopefully to be even better. And I just want to thank you, Dad. And I love you. And happy Father's Day. Live it up, Dad. You deserve it.